Welcome to the ultimate collection of 100 stylish and cute twist braid hairstyles ideas for ladies in 2025. Whether you love simple styles or you're just looking for a fresh, trending look, twist braids are the perfect go-to. From passion twists, Senegalese twists to spring twists and boho-inspired styles, this video got it all lined up for you. Let's start with the classic passion twist. This twist braids is lightweight, bouncy, and full of life. These twists give off an effortless tropical vibe and are perfect for both casual looks and special occasions. Next, we have the elegant Senegalese twists. These twist braids are sleek, smooth, and always in style. This look is perfect for the working woman who wants a neat, long-lasting braid style with a touch of sophistication. For the trendy queens, boho twist braids with coily ends are a must-try this year. You can add some color extension like honey, blonde, or burgundy, and you can finish with stylish accessories. The mini twist braids are both cute and versatile. You can wear them down, pack them into a bun, or style them in a half-up look, perfect for everyday sleep. For those who love a bold and dramatic look, jumbo twist braids are back and hotter than ever this year. They are quick to install and make a big style statement without too much effort. And let's not forget crochet twist hairstyles. The perfect solution if you want a gorgeous look in less time. They are easy to install, gentle on the scalp, and come in a variety of textures and lengths. My beautiful ladies, 2025 is all about self-expression and individuality, and your hair is your crown. Whether you are going for a chic professional appearance or a free-spirited weekend vibe, there is a twist braid style here for you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this compilation of 100 stunning twist braid hairstyles. Screenshot your favorites and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Locks for more hairstyle inspirations every week.